东北人比较喜欢。
Yeah.
我们喜欢吃那个羊肉串。Okay, so this is a very traditional Beijing street food, especially for breakfast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very popular food.
Yeah, Jian
King of street food.
King of street food?
Yeah, Jian
Looks like a hot dog. Of here, hot dog. Very popular.
Even though it's from Beijing, they have it everywhere now. Everywhere you can get it. It's so popular, so famous. Even Kansas City, they have it. So if you end up going to school in China, you can eat this every day.
奥林子，
我们什么都吃，没问题。
Everything.
Yeah.
No problem.
乜都得啦。
Yeah. Make one tea.
Cousin before leave the Houston.
Oh, okay, okay.
For the college.
Mm.
And 7 years ago, he moved from the Houston to come here.
Oh.
Because here the weather is very good.
Yes.
Before I go to the holiday, I'm studying in Ireland, Dublin. The weather is same here, so I'm coming too.
Okay.
Oh, I love Dublin.
You like Dublin?
Yes.
Oh, I lived in Dublin 7 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, so sometimes I speak to English people think, where are you from? I say, I'm from China. No, you're welcome, not China. I say, why? You like the Irish? Oh yeah, come on. Yeah.
Well, you can't live there and not pick up something.
Yeah, Houston's hot.
Yeah, Houston. Yeah. Houston 唐人多啊。
对对对。
A lot.
Yeah, I came here, man, off the airplane. Feels so good. The weather.
How many hours from the Houston come?
Well, I fly to Las Vegas first, then Las Vegas I fly to here, transfer. Yeah. But 6 hours total.
So last month my cousin take his mother from the Indiana, drive 38 hours.
Yeah, driving.
Driving.
Holy crap.
Because his mother moving. I have a load.
Oh,
of
yeah.
in the car. We will be make the new sauce, real chicken sauce from next week. So if the next week still coming here, you should be having
Leaving.
5-star real hot, you know.
Leaving Monday.
Only Monday.
Yeah. Just the weekend.
I feel like it's gonna be hard. We'll see you in
对，我们是来一个周末，我们一个朋友他开武馆，开了武馆，
哦
他开了45年。
Wow. I see some mark.
Yeah. This is my team in Houston.
So you do the kung fu sport?
Lion dance, yeah. Kung Fu and lion
舞
dance.
狮子
舞狮子。
啊，乐师，广东师，还有他是少林寺的少林武功。
Oh.
Yeah. I went to Shaolin too before.
Good.
Studied there for 1 week.
My first university of the how about it? Zhengzhou.
Yeah.
Beside the mountain.
Yeah. I went there too.
Yeah.
It's real beautiful. Everyone there practice Kung Fu.
Jackie Chan, Jet Li.
It's like Kung Fu City over there for real, man. You go to the park, everyone doing Kung Fu.
My first time go outside in the Ireland for studying, almost had some teenager and kids see the Chinese face.
Yeah.
Just ask all the people, are you can do some kung fu? No, everybody do. It's hard, man.
Yeah.
They're like, wait, how does that work?
Did you see some of the same this food of the Houston? The same this food from Houston?
I haven't seen it. Maybe there probably is, but I don't know. Because Houston, there's so many food in Houston, you know. Yeah, it's.
I try to give you
3?
3.
OK，上饭。
3 good.
Yeah。行。
Good, professional.
You $2.
早上买多吗？
不多，
不多。
这个月比较不好，因为
哦，
这个月是3号节。
对。
这里是华盛顿州立大学，所以说会学生大部分都放假了，
哦，他们什么时候回来？
要到9月底。
哦，9月底啊。
对。
When did your classes start? Already, right?
Monday.
You-
26. Monday.
Oh, so 26. He was saying here they don't start till in September.
Yeah, September.
So he
And
said,
September or maybe for someone come back the October.
wow.
Wow.
But the new students coming.
Uh huh.
But some, the new guy never know anywhere.
Yeah.
Never look